how much dirt and filth came off of my floors. Even though I actually mopped last night, I just somehow gather so much dirt. Look at that. That is so disgusting. I'm going to link this vacuum down below if you guys are interested. I've actually had it for 3 months and I love the way it cleans up for daily use. A little bit later now, I'm just now getting started on dinner. It's so creepy how dark it gets outside so early on. So I'm gonna make a shrimp salad tonight. I'm doing grilled shrimp. This is just one of those easy dinners that don't take a lot of time. So I'm gonna I guess like saute some shrimp and then do a salad. So I picked up this bag of shrimps from Trader Joe's. It's my first time trying it out. I hope it's good. I just rinsed it a little bit. And then for my salad, I'm just doing something really basic. Romaine lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocado, and then like a lemon olive oil dressing. Here's the final product. I'm gonna do a little taste test. It looks so good. I'm literally starving, so even if this doesn't taste good, I'm gonna think it does. That is so good. So let me tell you, I'm gonna count down to 3. Both of you guys are putting this in on both ends, and as you're digging it through, you look at each other and laugh. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that is
It turned out really nice.
Oh, really? Okay, what else do you want me to put in the car?
You guys can say if you want one real quick, and that way you can do one. Was it good? Do you like that? Smile, smile. Did you go sit with them? I'll take a picture of you. We got 5 minutes. Yeah, you can. Smile, look at your mama. Can you be surprised? Oh my god. Okay, now look down with me. Should I have to hold the cups? Yeah, hold it. Okay, here. Don't drop it. No, hold it up. Hold it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't drop it. There's a heartbeat. Not like that. Look at each other. You said no. Look at each other. Can you act so shocked? Cheers. Yeah, cheers. Did it. Did you get a video, Doctor? Okay, do a video and do cheers. Do cheers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cheers. Does it make yummy? It looks very pretty. Yeah, let's see. Okay. So you can charge it or he said don't do that. I am literally the worst vlogger. I just went to an event for Palestine and I should have vlogged it, but I didn't. And I like got so many cute things. I want to share with you guys like the little setup. It was a really nice event. One of the guys here, his name is Danish. He put the event together. So it's like a basketball playoff thing. And there was like vendors there that were selling products and proceeds went to Islamic Relief and they were donating it to Palestine. So I just got back. I actually got my henna done there. Look how pretty. Okay, my hands look really ugly right now, but the henna, so pretty. It's like this really elegant, simple design. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, then I got these 2 keffiyehs. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Actually, I should just probably look it up because that's not okay. Keffiyeh. How do do you pronounce it? I don't know how to pronounce it. I also have to go to the bathroom. Keffiyeh or keffiyeh. Keffiyeh. I think it's called keffiyeh. So I got a keffiyeh. And oh my god, I got the prettiest colors. So I didn't go for like the normal black and white. I decided to go for some different colors. I got this black and brown one. How gorgeous is this? It's like a chocolate brown with the black. I feel like it gives a very luxurious like feel to it. Isn't this so pretty? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this is so nice. Let's see. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I got that, and I also got another one, and I literally just pulled it out of this package. Look how gorgeous this one is. It's like a mocha color, like a caramel taupey color with brown in it. That's so pretty. I'm gonna put this on my head too. You can't tell me this isn't cute. They're so cute. I love them. So a quick little recap of today, since I did an awful job at vlogging. I pretty much spent the entire day organizing our next city council meeting. So we're going again this Tuesday. We pretty much are going every Tuesday until there is a permanent ceasefire. And guys, the group, mashallah, it is so big now. There's 60 of us, and there are so many different people bringing so many different resources and skill sets to the table. And it's just turned into this amazing group of volunteers and just like concerned citizens who want to use their time and efforts for Palestine. So I'm really excited. I never thought like, you know, something as simple as me putting up an Instagram post or going to one of these city council meetings would engage so many people to join me in this initiative. And yeah, I'm so happy to be co-leading this with my cousin and Brendan, which is one of the guys that I met at the very first city council meetings. But yeah, so this morning we spent like nearly 2 hours going over speakers and topics and best strategies on how to get our council members to just basically listen to us. So yeah, I feel like today was a really productive day. I'm gonna spend time with my family tomorrow, which I'm also really excited about. This is like probably the longest I've gone without going back to my mom's house. It's been about a week. Tomorrow's gonna be a full week. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be family day and I'm gonna just hang out with them. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I am trying to vlog as frequently as possible. I'm still like posting once every week right now, but I'm going to be picking up the pace, inshallah. I'm going to start sharing routines and just my life, spirituality, things I'm doing. So let me know, give me feedback if you guys have anything. I'm going to start editing this vlog, shower, and just, you know, relax for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you guys so much. By the way, I keep telling myself I'm going to say this in every vlog and I forget. Please give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps push my videos out and get it in front of a bigger audience so I can continue doing this full time. So yeah, I'm just really excited. I think today was a great day. Oh, by the way, I have this right here. I got some goodies from Sephora. Maybe I can just show you guys. I walked over to Sephora one of the days because I love the area I live in because everything is like pretty much walking distance. It's either a 3-minute drive or like a 20-minute walk. So I've just been walking a ton. So I walked over to Sephora and got a lot of Huda Beauty's products. So I got her foundation. I got 2 concealers because I didn't really know what shade I was. I'm going to try all of these out tomorrow. I got her blush and I got 2 lip liners. So I'm going to be filming a video tomorrow with all the products and just give, I'm not going to give my review. I'm going to just film a video with her products because I feel like she's been helping amplify Palestinian voices and has been doing a phenomenal job with awareness, and I just wanted to support her. So I'm going to shoot this tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. I'm really tired. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If there was anything in my video that you guys liked, I will have it linked in my description. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.